Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to start on building a cabin, a little hunting cabin. It's going to go in the back of the property, and I think about 90% of it is going to be built out of the lumber I had milled last year out of some tulip here that I cut on the farm. I've got all the materials laid out. I'm going to prefab the cabin in my barn here, and then I can disassemble it, take it out to the platform when that's ready to go. So let's get started on it. I had milled up last year. I think that was in May of last year. Some tulip trees I took down on the farm, and I cut everything long so I could trim everything. I got plenty, but actually these are almost 13 feet. These are almost 11. These are close to 10, and those are right about 8 foot. But I've got plenty of stuff here. These are actually the 2x6ers, are the longer ones, and those would be for the rafters and headers over the windows and the door. And I've got probably 4 times this amount of wood in one buys because it's going to be board and batten siding. Okay, I got all the rafters cut. I put 2 of them on the ends here temporarily. I'm going to get the 2x4s cut for the end walls. Now, these are non-load bearing walls on the ends, so a 2x4 is just going to be toe-nailed to the plate at the bottom. And I used a plumb bob to get my 2 foot on center lined up here. And all I'm going to do is mark this here, relief cut it, cut the back, and that'll slide right in there and I'll nail it in. All right, I got my relief cut in here, and That'll go in like that. I've got 2 more, and then the other side, and that's as far as I can go, I think, in the barn. I'll take these rafters down, lay the walls down, and when the platform is all ready to go, then I'll carry all this stuff out here and assemble it. So look forward to the next part on this video. Thanks for watching.